Welcome everyone to another video. This is Oppo F17 Pro and this is OnePlus Nord. And today in this video I am going to speed test these two phones. I am SHADAT'S from SHADAT'S Dayout. So let's start the video. Oppo F17 Pro comes with MediaTek Helio P95 with 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM. On the other hand, OnePlus Nord comes with Snapdragon 765G with 12GB RAM and 256GB ROM. Both phones running Android 10. So let's start the speed test. By the way, Oppo F17 Pro and OnePlus Nord camera comparison coming very soon. So subscribe right now and press the bell icon. This is short speed test about Oppo F17 Pro and OnePlus Nord. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time to another video. I'm SHADAT'S from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.